Hey guys, Arnold here for Healthy at 60 Plus. In today's news update, I want to talk about 6 recalled erectile dysfunction supplements. If you have any questions about this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. Now let's see what we have today. All of the following supplements were found to be tainted with prescription medications and other ingredients not on the label. The most common medications were sildenafil and tadalafil. Here is the list of FDA recalled supplements. Natural Remedy Store is voluntarily recalling all lots of Active Male 500 milligram tablets. MedMan Distribution voluntarily recalled all lots of UP2 dietary supplement. That recall has expanded to include all lots of dietary supplement bow and arrow libido enhancer. The Food and Drug Administration is warning consumers not to purchase or use Rhino male enhancement products due to a recent rise in reported health issues. Since 2007, the FDA has identified more than 25 products marketed with variations of the name Rhino that contain hidden drug ingredients. GL Holdings is voluntarily recalling 6 lots of Green Lumber 2, 4, and 10 capsule packages purchased on or before August 10, 2019. Stiff Boy LLC is voluntarily recalling all lots with expiration dates of the Beast capsules. DBP Distribution is voluntarily recalling all lots of Titanium 4000 capsules. So with all these recalls, what to do? The answer is to pick a supplement with clear labeling and from a lab that is FDA inspected. And if, like me, you've chosen Pro-Arginine, you have added another path to renewed health and erectile function. For more information, click the link below this video to see my ED repair page. If you have any questions about that video or this video, just call or text me at 609-410-4790. To be informed of new videos, just subscribe to my channel and click like for this video. I want to thank you for stopping by today and watching this video. To view other videos about this same topic, just click on either of the video links above. Again, thanks for stopping by, and here's to your good health.